What's good, guys? It's Tito and welcome back to the channel all about stock tips and tricks and how to become a better trader. So today it's been a long time no see, mainly because I have school and I literally just get so wrapped up in the world. So but yes, I'm back today because I've focused a lot of my energy on my TikTok, which is at Tito Trades if you want to go and follow that. But yes, massed over 50,000 followers on TikTok in less than a month. So I'm really blessed for that. So essentially, a lot of people don't know what a stop loss is because a lot of people just get too attached to their positions in the stock market, which is why you must trade with zero emotion when you trade in the stock market. So a stop loss basically says that we are going to stop this loss right here and here, depending on your percentage or how much you want to lose. Say you buy a $200 contract, you only want to lose $50, and it starts going down towards 50 and hits 50. You would sell that contract, you're done with that position. All right. If you start thinking wait, if I hold it and just keep going back up, then it keeps going down, now you've broken your stop loss and you've lost more than you can afford. So you should never trade with what you can't lose in the first place. But the stop loss is basically just give you that floor that you're done. So you're done with that position. Now you can move on to another one. Instead of you losing $100, you only lost 50, and now you can gain that 50 back somewhere else. I'm gonna show you guys how to set stop losses on my favorite brokerage, which is Webull, and yeah, let's get to it. So basically, let's hop into the Webull app. Let's go on fuel cell energy. I actually do have a position in this. I think they're severely undervalued, so I went and hopped in a call. But I'm gonna show you guys probably the easiest way to set stop loss is basically to enter the position first and then set the stop price later. So what we're gonna do is go into options, right? Usually I go a month out, so I'm looking for April 16th, and I'm gonna go with the $15 call. So basically I'm gonna press trade, set the limit price to the mid price, top right corner, and go ahead and buy that. So the market's not open right now, but say after you buy that, you're gonna go ahead back to your positions, right? So this is one of my fuel cell positions. Basically what you're gonna do is go to close. After you go to close, you're not going to close the order itself because it's not gonna sell right. So what you want to do is go to stop. And basically means once your stop price is reached, your order is automatically converted to a limit. So that means that it's not going to do anything until it reaches your stop price. So what you're going to do is pick your stop price. So my current contract is at 179. Say the most I wanted to lose was $30. So we're going to go and set the stop price at 149. So that means that when it reaches 149, it'll go ahead and automatically sell my contract. This can also be risky if you have PDT rule, because that means it will be one of your day trades for the week if it's because each stop price cancels each day at close. So what you want to do is reset this every day, or reset it a new one every day, or set a take profit. You can also do the same thing with limit orders. You see, if you just do simply a limit order, you simply set it above. So now it's at 179. If I want to take $20 profit, I will set it at, I'm pretty sure 199. Yeah, I can't do math, but I would set it at 199 and go ahead and yeah. So basically, since the market is not open, it's not doing it. But if it was, that would pretty much be how you set a limit, take profit, and how you set a stop. So after you set this, also make sure that you're not using all your day trades at once. If you're on a cash account, it is unlimited, but a lot of people don't understand that on a cash account, you have to leave 1 day for the money to settle. So if you use 1,000, if you have 1,000 account and you use all 1,000 in 1 day, you have to wait till Wednesday to trade because the money will be settling on Tuesday. Now, if you split into 5 pieces, you can use 200 on 1 day, have 200 the next day that you haven't touched yet, have 200 the next day, while the one from the other day is still settling. So a lot of people do that on a cash account. Yes, so you technically do have unlimited day trades if you do a cash account like that. But I wouldn't even call it unlimited unless you have over 25K. So yeah, that's basically how you set a stop, take profit, and you have to understand losses and risks are involved with options and trading. Even shares in general, you can set stop prices and limit prices. So make sure to set those and also understand your risk when trading. Never trade with more than you can trade. But hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully you can go and apply this to your trading techniques. So that's all I have for you today. I've just been busy building up my clothing brand at the Trinity Clothing on Instagram if you want to go check it out. We have a lot of good stuff coming. Drop of our first collection is coming April 1st. So yeah, but yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. We're almost at 8,000 subscribers. It's just getting crazy out here. But yeah, peace.